delay in implementation of controversial Bela Act articles put spotlight on Minister of Basic Education. In a significant development in South African education policy, the implementation of Articles 4 and 5 of the Basic Education Laws Amendment Bela Act is on hold pending the establishment of detailed norms and standards by Minister of Basic Education, Cyril Gwarubi. These sections cannot be enacted immediately, aligning with the demands of the Solidarity Movement, which includes Solidarity, AfriForum, and the Solidarity School Support Center. The delay stems from an agreement at the National Economic Development and Labor Council, NEDLAC, where it was concluded that the implementation of these articles, deemed controversial by many, must be preceded by clear regulatory frameworks. These frameworks are essential to ensure that schools, especially Afrikaans language schools, which are already at full capacity, are not compelled to alter their language policies under duress. The focus is to consider the linguistic needs of the local community rather than broader educational district mandates. This decision has emerged from ongoing debates about the preservation of linguistic heritage and the rights of minority groups in South Africa. The Bela Act, initially promulgated by the president, faced criticism for its vague nature and perceived inconsistencies with legal standards, prompting the Solidarity Movement to consider challenging the Act's proclamation, depending on its publication details in the Government Gazette. Moving forward, the attention shifts to Minister Gwarubi, who is now tasked with developing these essential norms and standards. The Solidarity Movement has expressed its intent to work closely with the minister, ensuring that the protections agreed upon at NEDLAC are effectively translated into the upcoming regulations. They have also prepared their legal teams to thoroughly review the final proclamation of the Bela Act, assess its constitutional validity, and prepare to challenge any premature implementation of the contentious articles. Moreover, any attempts by officials to enforce these articles ahead of the complete formulation of the required norms and standards will be deemed unlawful. This holds significant implications for the governance of education policy in the country, highlighting the need for a careful, consultative, and legally sound approach to implementing changes that have far-reaching consequences. As the process unfolds, the education sector and the public alike are keenly watching the outcomes, which will not only affect the operational dynamics of schools, but also reflect on broader issues of governance, legal integrity, and the protection of cultural and linguistic rights in South Africa. Thank you for choosing Satori News.